Hello, you're welcome. Please subscribe to this channel. Today we want to look at differentiation. But please don't forget, as I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe to this class. We have the curve y equals to ax squared plus bx minus 3. So this is a curve. Passes through the point 1, negative 5. If its gradient at p is 2, find A, the values of A and B, and then B, the minimum value of Y. All right. So we are having a curve. Let me write the curve down. The curve is Y is equal to AX squared plus BX minus 3. Now, they say this curve passes through a point P, and that point is 1, negative 5. So what it means is that at that point, X is equal to 1, Y is equal to negative 5. So my work is to substitute negative 5, which is Y, and X, which is 1, into the curve. So it becomes negative 5 is equal to A 1 squared plus B of 1 minus 3. So negative 5 is equal to 1 square will give you 1 times A will give you A plus B times 1 will give you B minus 3. But let me group items. So it becomes this negative 3 will come, it becomes negative 5 plus 3 is equal to A plus B. So negative 3 plus 5 will give you negative 2. So it means that I'm now having A plus B is equal to negative 2. Let me name this one equation 1. All right. So the question says that if its gradient at P is 2. So what it means that in differentiation, when we talk about the gradient, we are talking about the y over the x. We are talking about the y over the x. So what it means is that when you take the first derivative of this one, what you get is equal to this. So the gradient is the y over the x. So what it means is that, let me rewrite the curve down. The curve is y is equal to ax squared plus bx minus 3. So I want to differentiate x, the y over the x. So I want to differentiate y in respect to x. So it becomes the y over the x is equal to 2 multiply, it becomes 2ax because I subtract 1 from here, plus 1 times 1 will still give you 1. Then 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So it means becomes b. And when you differentiate a constant is 0. So plus 0. I'll take this one again. To differentiate this, your work is to use the power, use to multiply here. So it becomes 2 times ax, and then subtract 1. That's why I had 2ax. Then plus, this is 1, used to multiply, I have 1bx, but the x you have to subtract 1, and this whole place becomes 0. So that's why I have the b. And then if we would differentiate a constant, and it's 0. But they say at this point, but the y over the x is equal to 2 from the question. They say if its gradient at p is 2, it means the gradient is the same as the y over the x, and it's 2. So don't forget it's at the point P, so I have to form an equation here. It becomes 2ax plus b is equal to 2. But don't forget at the point x is 1. So wherever I see x, I'll put 1. So at the point x is 1. So it becomes 2a of 1 plus b is equal to 2. So 2a times 1 also give me 2a plus b is equal to 2. Let me name this one equation 2. Now let me recall my equation. Recall the equations. When I recall, equation 1 says that a plus b is equal to negative 2, 1. And the second one said 2a plus b is equal to 2. Question 2. So I need to solve this simultaneously. I realize that I have the coefficient here 1, 1. So when I subtract this from this, I'll be getting. So I want to subtract equation 1 from 2. So I'm doing 2 minus 1. So 2a minus a will give me a, plus b minus b will give me 0. Is equal to 2 minus minus 2 will give me 4. So it means that a is equal to 4. A is 4. Now let's look at b. Now putting a is equal to 4 into equation 1. And equation 1 is a plus b is equal to negative 2. And a is 4, so it becomes a plus b is equal to negative 2. But we say a is 4. So wherever I see a, I'll put 4. It becomes 4 plus b is equal to negative 2. So b is equal to negative 2 minus 4. So b is equal to negative 6. So therefore, a is equal to 4 and b is equal to negative 6. And the second one says that we should find the minimum value. Find the minimum value of y. So let me rewrite my equation down. The first step, which is y is equal to ax. So I'm talking about b now. I'm solving b. Ax squared plus bx minus 3. But we said a is equal to 4 and b is equal to negative 6. So it becomes 2 power 4. It becomes, let me do it like this. It becomes 4x squared. So wherever I see a, I'll put 4 minus b is 6x minus 3. And this is y. Now, I need to find the y over the x. So at this point, the y over the x is equals to. So I'll use 2 to multiply the 4. That will give me 8. Subtract 1 from here. That will give me x, 8x. Then I have to differentiate 6. 1 times 6 will give me 6 minus 6. And 1 minus will give me 0. So that is this. But don't forget, at this point here, the y over the x is equal to 0. So to find the minimum point, or at the turning point, people say at the critical point, the y over the x is equal to 0. So what it means is that 8x minus 6 is equal to 0. So 8x is equal to 6. I'll divide through by 8, divide through by 8. So x is equal to, there's a number that can divide 6 and 8, and that number is 2, becomes 3 out of 4. But I'm looking for the minimum value for y. So I need to substitute this back into the original equation, which is y is equal to 4x squared minus 6x minus 3. But x is equal to 3 out of 4. So this is equal to 4 into brackets 3 out of 4 all squared minus 6 into brackets 3 out of 4 minus 3. So this is equal to 4 into bracket. This will give you 9 out of 16 minus 6, 3 out of 4 minus 3. So this is 16. 4 cancel itself here, 1. 4 come here, 4. 2 here, 3. 2 here, 2. So I'm now having 9 out of 4 minus 3 times 2 will give you 9. 9 out of 2 minus 3. And this is out of 1. Let me find LCM. The LCM will be 4. 4 into 4, 1. Times this will still give me 9. 2 divides 4 by 2. 2 times. Times this will give you 18. Minus 1 will go into 4. 4 times. Times 3 is 12. So my work now is to do 9 minus 18 minus 12. So 9 minus 18 minus 12 is giving minus 21, which is minus 21 out of 4. Therefore, the minimum value of y is negative 21 out of 4. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to this channel. God bless you so much.